Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at United Health, and here on the large time frame we are focusing on the green scenario in which we had a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and then another 1-2 setup, a third wave up, and we are now probably still in the fourth wave to the downside. But once this fourth wave in green is complete, we expect a reversal from somewhere in this green support zone between $260 down to around $96. We expect a reversal in the fifth wave to the upside to new all-time highs. Now, if we actually break the 50% retracement area at around $96, we quite possibly could be in the yellow scenario where we had instead a wave 1 up all the way here, a wave 2 down, and then another 1-2 setup, and then we would still expect higher, and maybe this would be an even stronger move to the upside, but that would be because it would be in the third wave, and that would be a third wave of the third wave, and it would be similar in proportions for this 1, 2, 3, as you can see here. But for now we should focus at the moment on the shorter time frame, and we have been looking at this area. We have been following it very closely for a few months already, and here we have two scenarios that we are tracking at the moment. Firstly, in orange we have an A wave down in an ABC pattern, a B wave up, and now we would be looking for a C wave to the downside. Then we have the white scenario in which we had a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, a third wave down, a fourth wave up, and we would now be looking for a fifth wave to the downside to complete a leading diagonal in a wave A. Now, the difference between the orange and the white scenario will be quite clear once this movement to the downside is complete, because in the white scenario I am expecting a three-wave move because it's a leading diagonal in a wave A. So such as A, B, C, this could be the three-wave move. It could be a larger A, B, C, still valid for the white scenario. And in the orange scenario, I would be expecting instead a five-wave move because it is a wave C that always must be a five-wave move. So it could be something like maybe a 1, a 2, a 3, 4, 5, and then the C wave would be complete. But for now, we have some levels. I did provide you a few resistance levels in the previous video, and we actually broke through the white resistance area here and instead found resistance in the yellow resistance area exactly at the 38.2% retracement level, and then we went directly lower quite strongly. But for now I will remove the white resistance because it is no longer valid, and I do need to move this third wave here and assume that this is the larger fourth wave. And at the moment I cannot say that this fourth wave is complete because we had three waves up and then we had three waves down, so it could really be an A, B, C, and then the fourth wave resets. But assuming that it did complete, I could say that a first level to look for, sorry, didn't mean to do that. So a first level to look for, the fifth wave, if the fourth wave is complete, and yeah, this fifth wave would be at around $232.7, and the next level I would look out for such a fifth wave would be at around $224. Overall, for the larger time frame fifth wave, that is the fifth wave, the large fifth wave within the A wave, would be the 38.2% extension here at around $229. So right in between the levels that we would be looking for such a fifth wave. And yeah, let me actually place and allow the first level that we are looking for to be seen. And I only want to mention one more thing, actually two. So after completing, if we follow this white scenario, after completing the A wave down, we still expect a retracement in the B wave and then a C wave that could quite probably take us even below the A wave low, but not before a pretty decent retracement here in the B wave. So you have to keep in mind that in the large time frame, if you are interested in this stock, we are in the support zone in green between $260 down to around $96. And even if we go only a bit higher in a retracement in a B wave, we could expect quite some decent profits before we head lower in the C wave, and I will be here to guide you along the way for such a B wave retracement that we would expect in a 3-wave move, most likely, and then we could still gain some decent profits. Now, if the orange scenario plays out, it is quite possible it completes the 4th wave in green directly, and we head directly higher in the 5th wave, but overall, we cannot know that. We could complete only one last low here in this 5th wave and complete the A wave altogether and retrace quite high in the B wave. So for now, these are the levels, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.